Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Huge shout out to everybody tuning in. So this video is going to be a review of multi-digit subtraction. We're going to get into it step by step. So the first problem here is 43,285 minus 28,199. So with subtraction, we regroup whenever there is a bottom digit that is bigger than the top digit. So looking here, there's several digits that need regrouping, right? 8 is bigger than 3, 9 is bigger than 8, 9 is bigger than 5. So in the thousands place, in the tens place, and in the ones place, regrouping is needed. So whenever I have to regroup multiple digits, I start left to right when it comes to regrouping, and then I do my subtraction right to left. So I start with the digit all the way to the left when I for regrouping, but when I start the actual subtraction, when I start subtracting the actual numbers, you always start with the digits all the way to the right. So can't start with 3 and take away 8, so I'm going to take a 10. The 3 is going to become a 13, and the 4 is going to become a 3. So here, hundreds place, we don't need to do any regrouping there, because 2 is bigger than 1. Here, we can't start with 8 and take away 9, so we're going to take a 10, so the 8 is going to become an 18, and the 2 is going to become a 1. It's always take 10 and subtract 1 from the digits to the left. That's the strategy. So now in the ones place, can't start with 5 and take away 9, so we're going to take another 10. The 5 is going to become a 15. And the 18, we're going to take away 1, it's going to become a 17. So as you can see, I started regrouping from left to right. Now right to left is where I'm going to subtract. So now I'm starting in the ones place. We always start in the ones place when we subtract. 15 minus 9 equals 6. 17 minus 9 equals 8. 1 minus 1 equals 0. 13 minus 8 equals 5. And 3 minus 2 equals 1. And we have our final answer. 43,285 minus 28,199 equals 15,086. Alright, and now going to get into another one. Alright, 30,000 minus 18,335. So here we have another problem where we're going to have to regroup multiple numbers. Because we regroup whenever the bottom digit is bigger than the top, and in this subtraction problem, the bottom number is bigger in every single digit except for the 10,000s place. So looking at the thousands place, we're going to take a 10. The 0 is going to become a 10. And then the 3 in the 10,000s place is going to become a 2. It's always add 10 and take away 1. That's the strategy for regrouping. Now in the hundreds place, we take a 10. The 0 is going to become a 10. And then the 10 in the thousands place is going to become a 9. It's always add 10 and then take away 1 from the previous digit. Now in the tens place, 0 becomes a 10. And then the 10 in the hundreds place becomes a 9. Now in the ones place, again the 0 becomes a 10. The 10 in the tens place becomes a 9. So it's always add 10, take away 1. Back in the 90s, we used to call this borrowing, but it's not really borrowing because you're never giving it back. Alright. So now All the top digits are bigger. 2 is bigger than 1, 9 is bigger than 8, 9 is bigger than 3, 9 is bigger than 3, 10 is bigger than 5. Now that all the top digits are bigger, we can start in the ones place and we can subtract. 10 minus 5 equals 5. 9 minus 3 equals 6. 9 minus 3 again equals 6. 9 minus 8 equals 1. And 2 minus 1 also equals 1. And we have our final answer. 30,000 minus 18,335 equals 11,665. Alright, that is my video for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave a comment. Let me know if this video was helpful. Also, please do not forget to hit the like button. It helps the algorithm. If you have any questions, put that in the comments. And if there is an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments and I will do a future video on that skill. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri, signing off.